Hello friends, today I'll show you a science experiment. So let's get started. So the ingredients you will need for this fantastic experiment are water in a bowl, some pepper and some dishwashing liquid. First sprinkle a lot of pepper on top of the water. First apply very little dishwashing liquid on the tip of your finger. Then at the middle of the bowl, lightly touch it. And then you will see the pepper is going away to the side. But in fact, it's not the pepper. It's actually the water. It is all because of the surface tension which the dishwashing liquid is causing. So friends, this is the end. I hope that you enjoyed my science experiment, and if you have any doubts, any questions, please comment down below. Bye!